here at Mr. Grog, which is a bar that has just opened in Bassano del Grappa. Now, grog, as you know, is an Australian word for alcohol. The bar has been opened by Sophie, who's from Peterborough, not London, and Luca, who claims to be from Italy, but and they've created some traditional English cuisine for tonight's little opening. I'm at Grog and I'm eating sausage rolls, and they also have Scotch eggs, cucumber sandwiches, pineapple and cheese, good chicken wings. One of the best things about Mr. Grog is they sell cider. Funny, there's only 3 sandwiches in that plate. I wonder who's eating those sandwiches. So anyway, the people behind the bar, Sophie and Luca.
So grog is another word to say alcohol in Australia. When I went there 6 years ago, I drank it for the first time with my cousin, and we do the grog as well. We do our cocktail, which is in here, with 2 different kind of whiskey inside, lemon peel, orange peel, rose sugar, cinnamon, and we leave it for 15 days.
Now, is that guaranteed to get you drunk?
It is.
After
1. Cheers.
Everybody, you've heard from Sophie and Luca. You've really got to get down to Mr. Grog here in Bassano. Even if you're in Ireland or England, get a plane, fly into Venice or Treviso, come and visit the guys here. It's all traditional. And they got cider! Yes! This is the grog they talked about in the bar. The little thing that gets you drunk. Cheers. Chin chin. Way. Okay.